When was the United Nations founded? Correct answer is 1945. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Correct answer is New York. The UN flag has a background color of. The correct answer is blue. You can see the picture here. Which was the predecessor of the United Nations? Correct answer is League of Nations. League of Nations was established in 1920 after World War I. Which document created the United Nations? Correct answer is UN Charter. How many permanent members are there in the UN Security Council? Correct answer is 5. And the members are France, China, United Kingdom, USA, and Russia. Which organ of the UN is primarily responsible for maintaining international peace and security? Correct answer is Security Council. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2025? Correct answer is Antonio Guterres. He is the ninth Secretary General of UN on January 1st, 2017 and re-elected for a second term starting January 1st, 2022 until December 31st, 2026. Which of the following country is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Correct answer is Germany. How many official languages does the UN have? Correct answer is 6. The languages are English, Spanish, Chinese, Arabic, Russian, French. Which UN body elects the Secretary General? Correct answer is General Assembly. Which of the following is not one of the main 6 organs of the UN? Correct answer is UNESCO. Which UN agency is responsible for global health issues? Correct answer is WHO. UN Day is observed on. Correct answer is October 24. UNICEF works for the welfare of. Correct answer is children. UNICEF was founded on December 11, 1946 and its headquarters is in New York City, USA. Which country was the first to sign the UN Charter? Correct answer is China. Which of the following is a principal judicial organ of the UN? Correct answer is International Court of Justice. How many member states are in the United Nations? Correct answer is 193. UN General Assembly elects non-permanent members of the Security Council for a term of. Correct answer is 2 years. Non-permanent members of the Security Council are 10 and their elections are held every year to replace 5 of the 10 members. Which of these countries is not a founding member of the UN? Correct answer is Germany. Where is the headquarters of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is The Hague. Which UN organ handles budgetary and financial matters? Correct answer is General Assembly. The UN Charter was signed in which city? Correct answer is San Francisco. And the charter was signed on June 26, 1945. Which UN agency provides food aid to countries? Correct answer is WFP, World Food Programme. India became a member of the United States in. The correct answer is 1945. India became a member of the United Nations on 30th October 1945. Which of the following is a specialized agency of the UN? Correct answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. How many judges serve on the International Court of Justice? The correct answer is 15. They are elected for a term of 9 years. Elections are held for every 3 years for one third, that is 5 judges, to ensure continuity. No judges can be from the same country. The main deliberative organ of the UN is, the correct answer is General Assembly. Which of the following is not a function of the United Nations? The correct answer is impose national laws. How many principal organs does the UN have? The correct answer is 6. And the principal organs of the UN are General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, International Court of Justice, Secretariat, Trusteeship Council. Which UN agency is responsible for the welfare of refugees? The correct answer is UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Which of the following Indian personalities has served as President of the UN General Assembly? The correct answer is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. She was the President of the 8th session of the UN General Assembly in year 1953. The UN General Assembly meets in regular sessions. The correct answer is once a year. Every regular session starts on the third Tuesday of September each year, and the location is UN headquarters, New York City. Which UN organ coordinates economic, social, and related works? The correct answer is ECOSOC, that is Economic and Social Council. The Trusteeship Council suspended operations in. The correct answer is 1994. What does the acronym UNHCR stands for? The correct answer is United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Which of these is not a function of the UN Security Council? The correct answer is budget approval. Which document serves as the constitution of the UN? The correct answer is UN Charter. UN Charter was signed on 26 June 1945 in San Francisco and came into force on October 24, 1945. Which country is the largest financial contributor to the UN? The correct answer is USA. The Security Council has how many members in total? The correct answer is 15. As we have discussed earlier, there are 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. Seats are distributed regionally. From Africa, there are 3 seats, Asia Pacific, 2 seats, Latin America and Caribbean, 2 seats, Western Europe and others, 2 seats, Eastern Europe, 1 seat.